everyone, Aja here from Pandamonium. We are getting back on the road and heading to Clearwater Creek. It's a little early, but we just want to go ahead and get there. I don't believe I'm going to be staying the full event because we have other plans in mind, so I'm only going to be at the TCF for a couple days, and then we're going to head and get on the road and do our other plans that we have come up with. So I'll share those with you later. Alright, Onward Bound.
Nightmares creep while you and me repeat. This bittersweet heat is suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desires set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
So we made it here, and hey, say hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
Hey y'all.
So anyways, what was going on? People were shooting guns at 1 a.m.
Yeah.
There's some rowdy people here.
Definitely a pistol.
Well, hopefully they aren't planning on staying that long.
Yeah.
So
Hopefully not.
we'll see. Okay, so I'm gonna get set up, and then I will be back with you. Who's that creeper at the window? Moo-moo, you got a stalker. You got a stalker, Moo-moo. Hey, Moo-moo. So I've gotten set up, and I'm right by the river, and I'm sharing a spot with Jimmy. Yeah, this is a nice spot by the river, and we have easy access to the river. So beautiful here. It's a nice day, too. What are y'all panning for gold? Awesome. Find anything? Okay. This is more Moo-moo's speed right here. Are you dipping your feet, honey? She's like, I don't mind this.
It's not so cold.
What you doing? What you doing? Did you go swimming?
No, not yet. But we will when we go down the river.
Cool. I believe this stream, river, whatever you want to call it, comes from up in the mountains because it comes from that way over there. Ooh, it's cold. And so rocky. Did you find anything?
No.
No?
There's some color in there, but
Right?
it's real fine.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Is it fools or real?
No, it's real gold in here.
Okay.
Black sand, real gold from. We're digging out where the old creek bed used to be. See that
Oh,
there
yeah,
river
yeah.
rack?
Right. Right there?
Yep. So that's where it would be trapped in, and once you're getting all this black sand,
Mm-hmm.
you know you're in the right spot because that's
That's cool.
heavy.
Oh, okay.
That's where the gold is in with that black sand.
Look, there's a rock floating on top of another rock. It's really shallow here, so you can walk all the way across, no problem. So it is more like a stream, where it gets pretty deep, so I'm sure it turns into a river at times. So you want to jump this?
Uh-huh.
Okay, hold on. You get on this side. You get on that side. Up, move that. 2, 3, go.
Oh my gosh. So that
Look.
I know, it's okay. It's not, it's just right here. It's dirt and water. It's okay. Alright, now y'all can go float down the river.
Dub, one girl at a time.
Can you bottom out there? No. Not heavy enough to bottom out.
Pushing me now. Going faster.
Think you're ever gonna stop?
Bye. Bye. Have fun. You can walk back. There's a go to that bank right there and then walk back. All right, that's so cute.
This is called babysitting.
Oh, I see. Good job, Scotty.
Back in there. There we go.
Your shoes, what?
Water shoes on, lady.
I know.
Sharp things.
Sharp items. Ooh. And the rocks are kind of slimy.
Yeah.
Do it with water shoes right there.
As I fall on my face.
She says, no, You're my raft. Hold me. You got your water shoes too on?
Oh, she's like, no.
She's swimming. She's like, swim, swim, swim for your life.
Sail her down the river.
She'll come in. Come on, Moo-moo. You want to come inside? Come
I
on.
want to drop her in.
Yeah, no, she'll be fine. Come on. Good girl. Good girl. Yes.
Cold.
She was like, what's all that splashing going on?
We can put her in that tub and sail her down the river.
Oh, yeah.
Or the bucket. She could poke her little head out.
They made it to the other bank safe and sound. Are you going floating?
I'm probably going to hit the bottom.
Go back further. Jimmy, you got to get in the hole up there. It's so much easier. I love that float.
Are you going to help me? Thank you.
Oh my.
Oh, thank you. I know. Come on, Moo-moo. Are you going in or you want to come? Up, up. Come on. Good girl.
Nikki, do you still have all your rafts?
Does it seem like the storm cloud's coming in or is that part of the fire?
That's some smoke, but it's rain over there.
Oh, okay. The ladies waiting for them to come down.
I hate that.
Did you hit a rock there? Cheslin, you look like a dead body. This is Terry and Scott's spot. The family moved in here. I was in here, but I wanted more space. So right across, right there is where Jimmy and I are. Oh, is that a Moo-moo thing? That is so cute. Look, Moo-moo. That is so cute. Thank you.
You're welcome. I haven't seen Terry yet. She's been.
Yeah, they're down by the river. How are you doing?
We're doing good.
Good. What did the ranger say?
He said if you have breathing problems, you might want to consider moving on.
Because of smoke?
Because the smoke is now blowing this way into the valley.
Oh.
Turn
And
around.
if you look around,
Oh my goodness.
none of that has been there the last few days. That's all blown in today.
Oh yeah, God, it's really covering.
Before it was just the other side. Now it's this.
Now it's come around to the other side. Oh.
So it's not we're not
I
at a
have-
big risk for fire,
Right.
but it's just if you're breathing.
I've had like problems breathing anyways a little bit the last couple of days. So I don't know. All
Pay
right.
attention to your breathing.
If you want to go back to Buena Vista, I'll go.
But that's probably worse. It's blowing from Buena Vista, they said. It's not
Oh.
blowing from the fire here. It's coming up from the one that's south of Buena Vista.
Right.
Except that I didn't smell anything there.
Oh, I did.
Oh, you did?
That was like,
Oh.
whew, it was like sitting in a campfire the one day I left.
Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna zoom in on that. You can really tell where it's getting smoky there. You can barely see the hills or mountains. Well, I guess if we get smoked out, then that will be the end of the Campfest, but hopefully it'll pass. It looks like fire above those hills, but that's just where the sun is. The campsite is definitely starting to fill up a little bit.
With smoke.
Yeah, with campers and smoke.
Break everything? I've never seen these people in my life. Right. Can I come next to you? I'm like, sure. No, not that close.
Wow, look at that. But so those rocks are probably for water. Oh, Momo, are you okay? Were you having complications? Poor thing. Look at the stream, that's beautiful.
Okay, Mom.
Let's walk across the bridge. I know. Oh, that's why. It's a little, yeah.
Over here. We'll show her where to go.
I made it. I made it.
Still scared me though. Hi, how you doing? Excellent.
So beautiful here. Wow, this bridge is shaky. I felt it shaking. Well, you can really tell how low the river is on this side. Okay, so what is this? Oh, no trespassing. So it's trespassing.
People were on the east side of the river,
Right.
When, or the east side of the reservoir when Jimmy and I came back.
So it says safety zone, no shooting. So there's no, we can't go this way or anything? Because I see hiking signs right there. Is that a hiking sign?
But it's
The trail. You can take the trail.
no,
You can't.
No.
it's
'Cause-
red.
Oh, it is red.
Oh.
or pink. Yeah.
All right.
Right, so.
Oh, so you can't go this way and you can't go that
Yeah,
way.
you're not supposed to cross the bridge. You like this is as far as you're supposed to go.
Oh, okay. Well, this looks like an awesome trail, but it is closed, so we won't be doing this. What a shame. But on the other side of the river, before camp, there was a trail. That was open.
I heard that there are a bunch of deadly grizzly bears and they're ripping people, hikers, apart in the woods.
Are you telling the truth, or are you just fibbing? Fibber, you fibber! No, we're fine on this side. That was short-lived. Darn it.
I could have told you.
I know, oh well. Well, I still want to come to this bridge and...
But
Yes.
me and Terry and Scott walked all the way up this from our site, all the way up there.
Oh,
past
really?
That bend.
Oh,
so we
cool.
could do that. If it's warm enough.
Yeah.
It's fun.
Are you like a little kid, girl? Yes, I feel the bridge shaking. Would you stop, please? You know what? I swear, when we get older, we revert to like our childhood stage.
I am not coloring in coloring books yet.
Oh, okay.
I'm not buying the adult ones. I'm not buying the kid ones.
Ooh,
Moo-moo, stay to the side.
no parking between these signs. There's a little water monitoring station right there. And a dam. You said there's a dam here? Oh, I see it.
Well, I don't know if it's a dam, but it's a waterfall. Yeah.
It's a waterfall. So pretty. Oh, that is pretty.
Ooh, a waterfall.
Nice spot for a bath. Other than it's probably freezing cold. Look, it's tree doo-doo. Actually, I don't know what the heck it is, but I think it's like an old stump, but it looks weird. Oh, we couldn't see in your rig. I was like, is she talking to us or someone else? Oh, yeah, I remember you saying that. How are you? Hugs?
Yes, good. Jimmy. Hi.
Who's this?
This is Titan.
Hi, Tyden. What kind of dog is he?
He's a lab and Aussie mix.
Oh, he's beautiful.
Thank you. Hi, Moo-moo. Hi. Hi.
Say hello.
Yeah, I drove all the way up the mountain.
You see the smoke over there?
Yeah, it's just coming from the thing we were talking in the town.
Right.
So.
The ranger just came by and told people if you have a breathing problem, then
yeah,
you might.
above it's worse.
Really?
So.
Oh God.
There's Willow.
Hey, Willow.
Hi. Hi.
Hi.
Uh-oh.
He won't bite. He wants to play.
I breathe better up here than down below. It's weird.
Yeah.
I don't know
It's
why.
because it's cooler.
And the airflow maybe.
No, I don't want none of that high fructose corn syrup.
He gets a little freaked out if I'm holding.
I used to actually eat. No, I used to eat Oreos, and then I read that they had high fructose. I was like, dang it, they're my favorite.
Well,
No, not everything, honey.
we have the strawberry ones and Nick has the peanut butter.
I know.
in the freezer. Sharing.
Oh, good.
Oh, here.
Y'all eat your high fructose. I'll pass. Ooh, that looks awesome. I think I'm gonna take a nap in here. This is freaking awesome. Ooh, and it's like a blankie. I love it. Moo-moo, come on. Up. Good girl. She's like, I don't know about this. Hey, you were in this with the kids the other day. Yeah. It's like a cocoon. Sleepy time.
You could sleep there tonight, Audrey.
I know. If there weren't any bear attacks. Oh my God, this is freaking awesome. Ah! Oh, I thought a bug was crawling on me. That was the material. What's wrong? Lay down, Moo-moo. There. Good girl. Yeah. So if you're wondering what my view looks like, this is it. Isn't that awesome? Oh yeah. Then the pine tree above. Moo-moo doesn't look as comfy. No? Lean back. Okay, good girl.
Sure you don't want to push?
No, I might fall out.
Well, it's got to be on both sides. It's a double.
No, but it's weird the way it's set up. It's like I feel like if I go one way, I'll fall out.
Yeah, it's kind of like it's the only way I could set it up.
Right. It's nice though. I'm comfy. I could probably pass out here.
Actually, it's probably better if you sit across it this way.
Oh, this is comfy. I'm gonna take like a 15-minute nap.
How long do you want me to film you? Ooh, you got a visitor.
I just told her not to push me. Don't push me. It's on a branch, and I don't know if it's gonna hold.
Oh, it's wrapped around the whole tree, but yeah, if that snaps, it's gonna hit ground.
I know.
Sorry, I didn't know you were filming.
No, it's cool. Oh, what you staring at? Is it in comfy? Comfy? All right, Terry said she fixed some food, so I guess I can go eat. Yeah? All right. That's what I was just saying, so I'm going to go eat the food.
Who's going to take a 15-minute nap?
Now, come eat.
Can we have the last part of Game of Thrones, please?
Yes. Thank you. What is it?
Let's see. We've got a little bit of spaghetti, cabbage, and onion, and bacon, sausage, potatoes.
Moo-moo's
and,
over here licking her lips.
Well,
She's
she
like,
can have a little sausage. All right.
thank you.
Okay, put your camera down. You have to put the camera
I
down or you'll
know.
fall out.
Moo-moo, don't you eat my food. What is it?
It's an
Kombucha?
enlightened mint.
Oh, is it a
It's the
kombucha
flavor. It's
or
one of the-
tea?
it's a gayaki.
Oh.
Yerba mate tea.
Oh, cool.
It's remember the guy in the hammock at Elephant Rock, Fabio?
Mm-hmm.
He gave it to me.
Oh.
And I
It's
don't
nice and
drink
cold
that
too,
stuff.
so.
It's been in the fridge. I don't drink that good
Thank
for you,
you.
stuff. So enjoy.
That good for you stuff.
No.
Oh my god, I'm so full. That was awesome. Thank you, Terry Scott, and thank you, Mick, for the mint tea. That's what it was. It was mint tea. It tasted really good. So Moo-moo and I, are really gonna take a nap. So we want to thank y'all for hanging out with us today. Hopefully we'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay safe and onward bound, everyone. Love you. Good night.
With crimson secrets and forbidden bliss, can't stay still, don't stop that thrill. My bones crave your skin, temptation within, mistakes ignite the silence. Nightmares creep while you and me repeat this bittersweet heat.
Oh my god, I'm falling out. See, you.
At least it's not your bra. What's not her bra? Falling out. She says she's falling out.
Set my heart afire.